To genuinely earn money on CEX.io, you can leverage several strategies that cater to different risk appetites and also levels of involvement. I'm going to show you the best one. The first one is an affiliate program. You can earn about 30% in commission. So CEX.io offers a lucrative affiliate program. You can earn 30% of the trading fees from users you refer to the platform. Once someone registers through your unique referral link and completes a trade, you receive a commission. This reward is credited to your account after a compliance review, typically within 30 to 45 days. You can withdraw your earnings to your debit card, a bank account, or e-wallet. You can also do staking. So this is one of the most common one. So it allows you to earn rewards by simply holding certain cryptocurrency in your account. The platform handles all the technical aspects and rewards are distributed normally. After that, you can also just save, right? So you can earn interest on your crypto holdings. So the CEX.io saving features allow you to earn interest through your crypto assets. There are two types of savings. There's flexible saving and there's also lock savings as well. So these three are one of the most reliable way on you can make money. The affiliate program is one of the most lucrative ones since you get a 30% commission on anything that someone make when they sign up through your referral link.